Ms. Maruf Arbab here. Today we are starting our first chapter of Pakistan Studies. Chapter number 1, Ideological Basis of Pakistan. These are the topics we will cover today: meaning of ideology, Islamic ideology, source of Islamic ideology, significance of ideology, and contents of ideology. Objective: you will able to define ideology, you will able to define the Islamic ideology and source of Islamic ideology. You will able to know about significance and contents of ideology. Before starting the chapter, we must know about the meaning of ideology. The word ideology is actually French in origin. It made up of two components, namely idea and logy. Idea means form or pattern. Logy means study. As we know, ideology is a set of ideas, beliefs, or values of a group of people. Or, ideology is a systematic body of concepts, especially about life or culture. Islamic ideology of Pakistan. We all know Pakistan came into being on the 14th August 1947 after great struggle. Pakistan is the first country that got independence on the name of religion. As we know, we got the Pakistan on the basis of Islam, so no doubt Islamic ideology is the ideology of Pakistan. Islamic system is based on the Holy Quran and Sunnah of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ideology of Pakistan is ideology of Islam, on the basis of which Muslims of subcontinent struggle for a separate homeland. Source of Islamic ideology. Number 1, the Holy Quran. Number 2, Sunnah. Number 3, traditions and cultural values. The fundamental source of Islamic ideology are the Holy Quran and Sunnah. The Holy Quran is the permanent basis of Islam. It provides detailed guidance to people. Sunnah. The word Sunnah is an Arabic word meaning traditions or way of the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Try to follow his words, actions, and teachings. The detailed explanation of the teachings of the Holy Quran is found in the Sunnah, which is the essential source of Islamic laws and principles. Tradition and cultural values. The values and traditions, such as festivals, gatherings, and ceremonies, which do not run opposite to the teachings of Islam, are allowed to be followed by the Muslims in their respective regions. Significance of ideology. As we already know, every nation has specific goals to achieve national goals. There is need of an ideology that leads the people of the nation in right direction. There are some contents of ideology. Number 1, common religion. Number 2, common culture. Number 3, common cause. And number 4, dedication. Common religion. Every religion maintains social relation. For example, the Muslims, Hindus, and the Christians want to live their life according to their religion. Common culture, a belief of behavior that is shared between two or more people. Common cause, any interest or goal or other motivating factor that is shared between two or more people or groups. Dedication. The dedication of the people to some noble cause and race and ideology. Muslims of South Asia were highly dedicated to the common cause of seeking freedom and establishing a separate Muslim state. We will discuss our further topic in our next lecture. Thanks.